Hi, Todd Martin here. In this Tai Chi Code video, we're going to look at the movement of cross hands, which is sometimes the closing of the form and sometimes a transition to another movement, but it's going to follow a parent close-up, which follows step forward and parry punch. I'm going to do this from the side view, starting from the end of brush knee. We have step forward and parry punch, apparent close-up, and then now from the end of apparent close-up we're going to have cross hands. Now my hands move across each other. The right hand is going to move to the outside of the left hand because as I'm shifting weight from here, I'm turning initially forward on the left side, and then now I'm turning forward on the right side. That forward on the right side projects the right arm out in front of the left arm, which is why it crosses in front. Let's show that again from the end of step forward and parry punch this time. This is apparent close-up. Now, I'm going to show some more detail with the core. Here I'm going to use the technique of shoulder strike. I'm going to extend my left hip and I'm going to turn my upper and lower torso clockwise. Shift back using split. So now my upper torso is turning to the right while I'm rooting my left leg by turning the lower torso to the left. Now I'm going to complete the movement simply by shifting my upper torso rotation from right to left. And that's going to bring my feet underneath me. You'll notice that there are two pivots of the foot when I do the cross hands weight shift from the end of apparent close-up. As I turn, the initial pivot is going to be of the left foot, and as I keep turning and keep pushing, the right foot will release and turn out also out to the right. So initially there's a pivot of the left foot, which will then face straight forward, and then a pivot of the right foot, which will turn out 45 degrees. Then as I shift the weight and collect, both feet will end up facing straight forward at the end of the motion. Now I'm going to demonstrate the shift from apparent close-up to cross hands, again from the side view. Starting from apparent close-up, which follows step forward and parry punch. Let's look at the core techniques, or the 8 fundamental techniques of Tai Chi, as I move through step forward and parry punch and cross hands. We're starting at the end of step forward and parry punch with push, with extension of the right hip, split, flexion of the right hip, pluck with extension of the left hip, pluck with extension of the right hip, shoulder strike with extension of the left hip, split with flexion of the right hip, elbow strike with flexion of the right hip. Make sure as you're doing the sequence to keep the posture upright and vertical the whole time. Thanks for watching.